If you're a coffee enthusiast, you've probably dreamt of having a cafe-quality espresso at home without the need for expensive machines or expert barista skills. With this DeLonghi Magnifica Start fully automatic espresso machine, that dream can become a reality. This sleek, fully automatic machine is designed to transform your coffee experience, offering all the rich, bold flavors of your favorite espresso beverages in the comfort of your kitchen. But what makes the Magnifica Start stand out in a crowded marketplace of coffee machines? Let's dive deep into its features, user experience, and why this might just be the best investment for your coffee cravings. One of the first things you'll notice about the DeLonghi Magnifica Start is how user-friendly it is. Whether you're new to espresso machines or a seasoned coffee lover, this machine is incredibly easy to navigate. The one-touch display panel allows you to brew your favorite drinks with just the push of a button. No need to fiddle with complicated settings. From espresso to latte macchiato and cappuccino, you can choose from 5 preset recipes to get your perfect cup every time. For those who love variety in their coffee, the machine offers versatility. Whether you're craving a simple shot of espresso or a creamy cappuccino, the Magnifica Start has you covered. This ease of use, combined with advanced technology, makes it an ideal choice for anyone looking to bring the cafe experience home. Coffee aficionados know that freshly ground beans make all the difference in taste and aroma. That's why DeLonghi included a built-in conical burr grinder in the Magnifica Start, complete with 13 grind settings. This ensures you get the perfect grind for your coffee preference, whether it's a finer grind for espresso or a coarser grind for a more robust brew. The grinder's automatic dosing feature also ensures that every cup you make will have the ideal amount of coffee, guaranteeing a consistently flavorful experience. This, combined with the machine's built-in brewing unit, means you'll enjoy coffee that's fresher, more aromatic, and full of depth. A major selling point of the Magnifica Start is its proprietary LatteCrema System. This system expertly froths milk to create the perfect creamy texture for lattes, cappuccinos, or macchiatos. And the best part? It works just as well with non-dairy milk options like oat, almond, and soy. Whether you prefer traditional dairy or plant-based alternatives, the Magnifica Start ensures that your milk is perfectly textured and silky smooth, delivering that long-lasting foam that's essential for any great espresso drink. One of the biggest concerns with espresso machines is maintenance and cleaning. With the Magnifica Start, that's something you won't have to worry about. The machine is designed with detachable parts that are not only easy to remove, but also dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. It also comes with an auto-clean function. If you've ever been put off by the tedious cleaning process of traditional coffee machines, the DeLonghi Magnifica Start will be a breath of fresh air. Now, you can focus on enjoying your coffee rather than dreading the cleanup. Beyond its impressive performance, the Magnifica Start is aesthetically pleasing. Its sleek black design is modern and stylish, fitting seamlessly into any kitchen setup. Whether you have a small countertop or a large coffee bar, this machine's compact size ensures it won't take up unnecessary space. Why the DeLonghi Magnifica Start is worth the investment. With so many coffee machines on the market, you might wonder if the DeLonghi Magnifica Start is worth the price. The short answer is absolutely. Here's why. 1. Versatility. With 5 different preset recipes and a built-in grinder, this machine caters to a wide range of coffee preferences. Whether you like your coffee strong, creamy, or with a dash of foam, this machine can handle it all. 2. Ease of use. Unlike more complicated machines, the Magnifica Start is simple and intuitive to use. The one-touch system makes it perfect for both beginners and seasoned espresso lovers. 3. Fresh coffee every time. The built-in grinder ensures you always have the freshest coffee, and the LatteCrema System guarantees perfectly textured milk or milk alternatives. 4. Low maintenance. With an auto-clean function and dishwasher-safe parts, maintenance is minimal, allowing you to focus on making coffee rather than cleaning. Conclusion. The DeLonghi Magnifica Start is a coffee lover's dream. If you're someone who values quality, convenience, and variety in their coffee, the DeLonghi Magnifica Start fully automatic espresso machine is the perfect addition to your kitchen. Whether you're craving a bold espresso, a frothy cappuccino, or a creamy latte, this machine delivers every time. Its ease of use, built-in grinder, and superior milk frothing system make it a standout choice for coffee lovers of all levels. In addition to its performance, the Magnifica Start is designed to fit seamlessly into any kitchen, and with its low-maintenance features, you won't have to worry about tedious cleanup tasks. For anyone looking to elevate their at-home coffee experience, this machine offers excellent value, delivering barista-quality drinks with minimal effort. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.